Today we have to discuss about the last part of the differentiation, and dear students, very clear about that derivative of a function and the how a function is differentiable at any point. We have to discuss already, but today we have to know about the different types of function, how to find out the derivative in different way, and this type of example we have to read, and then one by one we have to discuss today. Example, suppose x to the power sin x equals to y to the power sin y, or x to the power sin y, y to the power sin x. This type of a function, we have to find out the derivative. We have to find out the derivative by using logarithm on both sides. Very important for that. This is type 1. And another one, type 2, for implicit equation. F of xy equals to 0, or f of xy equals to c. Simple example you have to take it. Suppose x4 plus y4 plus 4x square y square equals to suppose 5. Another example you have to take it. Suppose 1 plus s square whole to the power 1 plus y square root over plus 1 plus y square whole to the power 1 plus s square root over equals to suppose 0. How can you find out the derivative dy by dx? This is type 1 and this is type 2. We have to prove this. We have to find out the derivative from type 1. One example, suppose this: s to the power sin x equals to y to the power sin y. Already said, first ln s to the power sin x equals to ln y to the power sin y. We know log m to the power n, that is sin x ln x, sin y ln y. After the simplification, we have to find out the derivative, very simple way, and that is multiplication rule. Sin x derivative, what is that? Na cos x into ln x plus sin x into ln x derivative 1 by x, sin y derivative cos y dy by dx plus into ln y plus ln y 1 by y dy by dx into sin y, product rule. So that implies dy by dx common. dy by dx common means how much? Cos y ln y plus 1 by y sin y equal cos x ln x plus 1 by x sin x. Tell what is the value of dy by dx? dy by dx equal cos x ln x plus 1 by x sin x whole divided by cos y ln y plus 1 by y sin y. Very simple. That is dy by dx. Another example we have to take it from type 2. Type 2 रे कौन देखिली गोटे क्वेश्चन ना गोटे क्वेश्चन देखिली x4 plus y4 plus 4x square y square equals to suppose 5. You have to find out 4s cube plus 4y cube into dy by dx plus 4x square 2y dy by dx, y square derivative plus 4y square 2x 4y square 2x, s square derivative 2x and 5 derivative equals to 0. Constant derivative equals to 0, and that implies dy by dx common 4s cube 4 dy by dx common 4y cube plus 8x square y equal minus 4s cube minus 8xy square. So that implies dy by dx equal minus 4s cube minus 8xy square whole divided by 4y cube plus 8s square y. This is the required answer. Very simple way we have to find out the derivative in this way. Another type 3 you choose. Suppose one question, find the slope of the tangent of s square plus y square equals to 5 at 1, 2. Suppose find the slope of the tangent. We know the slope of the tangent means we have to find out the derivative. How can you find the derivative? Now x square plus y square equals to 5. Find that the derivative s square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y dy by dx and equals to 0, 5 derivative. The point is 1, 2. So that implies dy by dx equals to minus 2x by 2y. So that implies dy by dx equals to minus x by y. But at 1, 2, 1, 2 means x मूल्य 1, y मूल्य 2, and that is called as tan theta, and that is called as slope. slope of the tangent to the curve. In that type of a question, very important for the exam. Another we have to find out, how can you find out the successive derivative? Successive derivative of a function. Successive derivative of a function with Leibniz rule, with Leibniz theorem. How can you find out the successive derivative? What can you say? What do you mean by successive derivative of a function? Successive means the function is given, that is a explicit function, and we have to find out the derivative one by one. Suppose dy by dx, that is called f dash of x. Next we have to find out derivative, again find out the derivative with respect to x, and that means f double dash of x. This can be say that is y1, and this can be say that is d square y by dx square, and that equals to y2. And that also it can be written as f1 of x, and that is called as f2 of x, and so on. That means y3 equals to dqy by dxq. Now automatically f triple dash of x or f3 of x, and that is called as third order derivative. Third order derivative of a function f of x. That is second order derivative, and that is called y1 means that is first order derivative, order 1. This is called as order 1. First order means the order 1. Second order means order 2. Third order means order 3, and so on. That means yn equals to dny by dxn, and that is f nth derivative of x, fn of x, and etc. एम जदि कंटिन्यू करी चलिबो, एमती जी कंटिन्यू करे ताकू कहा जाए सक्सेसिव डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन. Successive meaning is we have to find out the derivative one by one. First we have to take for algebraic. Y equals to x to the power 4. Then y1 equals to 4s cube. Y2 equals to 4 into 3x square. Y3 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into x. Y4 equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into s to the power 0. That is 1. So what is y5? Y5 means it is a constant, so therefore answer is 0. Y5 equals to 0. Suppose we have to ask the question, what is yn? The answer is 0, because y5 up to n. Suppose we have to question arise y2n. What is answer? No, y2n. Then so what is the y4? That is 4 factorial. 4 factorial. Factorial means 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is a constant value. Also answer is 0 for y5. Suppose example, speed of y is equal to s to the power 6. Then what is the value of y6? Whenever y equals to x4, then y4 is equal to 4 factorial. Then so y6 is equal to 6 factorial. Then so y7 equals to 0 and yn minus 1 be also 0. Whatever may the value, 1 by 1, the derivative must be 0. Suppose the example is 3x6. What is value of y? Suppose y 5. Very complicated. So we have to find out y1, 3 common, 6s to the power 5. y2, 3 into 6 into 5 into x 4. y3 equals to 3 into 6 into 5 into 4 into x cube. y4 equals to 3 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into x square. y5 is equal to 3 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into x. This is the answer. So what is the value now? Now 3 into 6 into 2 into, that means 6 factorial into x. But otherwise we have to multiply direct. 2 3 6 24 25 120 120 ये 18 120 720 720 2160 x. Whatever way we have to take it, that is the answer for algebraic. Another example, y equals to ax plus b the whole to the power 5. So y1 equals to 5 ax plus b the whole to the power 4 into a. y2 5 ax plus b whole to the power 3 into a square. y3 equals to 5 into 4 into 3 ax plus b the whole square into a cube. y4 equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 ax plus b the whole to the power 1 a4. y5 is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into a5. That answer becomes 5 factorial a to the power 5. So y6 equals to 0 and so on, all have to 0. So power 5 means, how can you find out in that type of a question, you have to find out the derivative. Suppose 3s plus 5 whole to the power 7. So you take y7. Suppose ax plus 5 means 5 factorial a5 this. So when y5 means y7 equals to 7 factorial into 3 to the power 7. That means y8 equals to 0. Very quick practice. Now, suppose y equals to s to the power n, so yn equals to n factorial. Suppose y equals to ax plus b the whole to the power n, yn equals to n factorial into a to the power n. Now, the algebraic part is over. You have to find out the derivative, successive derivative of logarithmic and exponential for logarithmic and exponential. Suppose y equals to e to the power x. What is y1? No, e to the power x. y2 e to the power x, yn e to the power x, and so on. Suppose y equals to e to the power ax. So y1 equals to e to the power ax into a. y2 is equal to e to the power ax into a square. And yn equals to e to the power ax a to the power n. For another y equals to 1 by x, suppose. This is 1 and this is 2 and next one is 3. What is y1? now minus 1 by x square. y2 minus 1 into minus 2 by x cube. Then what is y3? Now minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole divided by x4. Suppose yn minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and dot dot minus n, because it is 3, it is minus 3, so it is n, it is minus n, whole divided by s to the power n plus 1, because it is 3, it is 4, it is n, it is n plus 1. How many negative? Now my n negatives. Then so into n factorial whole divided by s to the power n plus 1. Quick formula, yn. Another one, suppose y equals to ln x, then y1 is 1 by x, y2 is minus 1 by x square, y3 is minus 1 minus 2 by x cube, and so on yn minus 1 minus 2 dot dot minus n minus 1 whole divided by, because that is 3, it is 2, it is n, it is n minus 1, and s to the power 3 same, so n. And how many negative? Now n minus 1 negative and n minus 1 factorial whole divided by s to the power n. Why is your ln x derivative is this much? Suppose ln ax plus b. Suppose ln ax plus b. What is that? Suppose y is equal to ln ax plus b. Now y1 equals to 1 by ax plus b into a. Then what is the yn? Now automatically minus 1, the whole to the power n minus 1 factorial whole divided by ax plus b, the whole to the power n into a to the power n. A to the power n, because 1 1, so n n. This is for logarithmic and exponential. Another one for trigonometric. Y equals to sin x. Now y1 is equal to cos x. y2 is equal to minus sin x. So what is yn? What is yn? It's very complicated. So therefore, we have to take it sin pi by 2 plus x. This take it sin 2 pi by 2 plus x. Then so because it is 1, then so 1 pi by 2. This 2 pi by 2. So automatically sin n pi by 2 plus x. Very simple. This is the formula of y equals to sin x. Similarly, y is equal to cos x. y1 equals to minus sin x. y2 is equal to minus cos x. And dot dot what is yn? It also is very complicated. So therefore, it can be converted to cos pi by 2 plus x. And here cos 2 pi by 2 plus x. Therefore, the cos n pi by 2 plus x. Sin of cos very easy to convert it in cos to cos, but जो other जो four जो trigonometric function tan x, sec x, cosec x, etc. are very complicated to find out the yn. So therefore, we have to know about one man came, and that is called as Leibniz. How the Leibniz can we find out the derivative for hard problems? The Leibniz. Leibniz theorem. Y equals to f of x into g of x. So yn equals to f nx into gx plus nc1 f n minus 1 into g1 and plus dot dot plus ncn f gn. It's a very simple theory, that is Leibniz theorem. That is, you know about that NCR equals to NCn minus r less than equals to n. That is note, very important note we have to remember. And NCR plus NCr minus 1, you have to find out n plus 1 CR. n plus 1, r minus 1, which is greater? Now that is r. That the answer is this. These are the very important formula we have to remember. NCr is equal to NCn minus r. That is a combination formula. How can you find out the NC0? NC0 means 1. NC1 equals to n. NC2 n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial and so on. That means NCn. That means NCn minus 1. That means NCn minus 2. Suppose we have to ask 5C0 and the quick answer is 1. Suppose 5C1 equals to, answer is 5. Very simple. Suppose 5C2, so 5 into 4 by 2 factorial. So 20 by 10, 2 equals to 10. Quick formula. How can you find out the, suppose one example we have to take it. Suppose y equals to x square sin x. Find yn. So first we have to choose, one is f of x, another one g of x. जन को f of x नियो, जन को g of x नियो. तापर आगे फॉर्मूला आगे लिखि देबो. फॉर्मूला लिखि देले बेटर. fn into g plus nc1 fn minus 1 into g1 plus dot dot ncn f gn. ए फॉर्मूला टी आगे लिखिदेव. लिखिदेले मार्क कॉन्फिडेंटली मिल. तापर देन आपको पुट करिवो केमती ना फर्स्ट धर एफ ऑफ एक्स. सपोज एफ ऑफ एक्स हला एक्स स्क्वायर. एफ ऑफ एक्स जदि एस स्क्वायर ताले एफ एन एथ डेरिवेटिव केते हो 0 हो जिवो. सेट में यही पटु नबनी. एटा को एठी नै जिवो, एटा को नै जिवो. ताले एफ ऑफ एक्स हला sin x. ताले f1 हला sin pi by 2 plus x. Already said. And so on fn sin n pi by 2 plus x. G of x equals to x square. Also g1 equals to 2x, g2 equals to 2 into 1, g3 equals to 0 and dot dot gn equals to also 0. Therefore, fn equals to put the sin n pi by 2 plus x into g equals to x square. Right hand side or left hand side like that. Plus nc1 into fn minus 1. fn minus 1 how much? Now sin, just purvata kete jibo? Sin n minus 1 pi by 2 plus x into g1. g1 is 2x plus nc2 next sin the purvata is n minus 2 pi by 2 plus x into 2. Our next is 0. Out of सब 0 हो जिबे next 2 पर 0. So answer is this much. 1 2 3 3 terms. 3टा टर्म पद 1 2 3. आउ तो सब 0. ये गोटे फुल मार्क पूरा total long type questions. Very important. Now the successive derivative of a function, the part is over, and the next we have to discuss about the how can you find out the limit of a function by using the derivative? That is called the one man came, that is L'Hopital. L'Hopital is a mathematician. L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital. And that is indeterminate form. We have to write down indeterminate forms. One man, L'Hopital rule, and find the limit of a function. Find the limit of a function. Find the limit of a function. There are L'Hopital designated two rules. That is, one is 0 by 0 rule, another one infinity by infinity rule. What is 0 by 0? Suppose limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x, suppose tends to 0 by 0. That means that they put the value of x directly, suppose 0. Suppose put the value of x directly on denominator, suppose 0. That is called as 0 by 0 form. That means we have to find out derivative directly, first upper derivative by talar derivative. Very simple. Limit x tends to a. Suppose again put the value limit x tends to a, suppose 0 by 0. That means we have to find out the derivative f dash x, derivative f double dash x, and g double dash x, and put limit x tends to a. Suppose in this way, suppose whatever may be the 0 by 0, 0 by 0, and so on, if occur, well then you continue that process. If 0 by 0 does not occur, well then stop the process and then put the limit value, well then you get the answer. And that is continuing in this process till the result will be obtained. एमती कंटिन्यू करी चलो जेपर्यंत 0 by 0 फॉर्म आसुव सेमती तुम पकई चलती डेरिवेटिव काढ़ी चलती जो 0 by 0 स्टॉप हो देन से जो मूल्यटा आसो से मूल्य से जगह पकड़े दैट रिजल्ट विल बी ऑब्टेन्ड. दैट रिजल्ट विल बी ऑब्टेन्ड मीन्स रिजल्ट आसीज. हेंस दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट, दैट इज ए 0 by 0 मेथड. अनदर वन द सपोज infinity by infinity exactly same case. Suppose limit x tends to infinity by infinity, exactly the same theory, and continuing this process till the result will be obtained. One example we have to take it, very simple example, and suppose limit x tends to 0 tan x by x. ए जगह 0 अच्छे ऊपर tan x अच्छे तले x अच्छे. पुट द वैल्यू सपोज tan 0 मीन्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू 0, x मूल्य 0 तो 0 by 0. ऑलरेडी सेड फास्ट ऊपर डेरिवेटिव काढ़ ऊपर डेरिवेटिव है सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स तलर डेरिवेटिव है 1 पुणी अगेन लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 आउ तल 0 आसबनी बिकज तलटा 1 अच्छे तेणु सेक्स 0 है 1 रो स्क्वायर है 1 तेणु आंसर इज अदर लिमिट फर्मूला अपेक्षा यही जो डेरिवेटिव मेथोडोलॉजी तुम कर ये गोटे बहुत इजी. तेणु सो देयर फॉर पिले तेणु तुम्हें कौन कर सब यही फर्मूला को लेकिन चेष्टा कर. L'Hopital रूल सब लब आ हर नहीं सब चेष्टा कर. लब केते हर केते कले गणित क्विक हो. आ गोटे गणित करुच्ची भल लगे देख. लिमिट x tends to infinity, suppose s square by e to the power x. suppose. Then exactly same case, infinity by infinity. E to the power infinity, answer is infinity. E to the power minus infinity, answer is 0. एरा मन रखिथिबा पिला दरकार 1 by x suppose अछि 1 by infinity, the answer is 0. 1 by 0, answer is infinity. एति मन रखले गणित चलिबो. चलिछ बर्तन केते हेगला ना 2x हेगला तळटा e to the power x हेगला. पुणी लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी निया पुणी सेटा को सही इन्फिनिटी बाय इन्फिनिटी हेगला पुणी 2 into 1 कर दियो e to the power x आउ x नाही ऊपर आउ इन्फिनिटी हे परिबनी तो 2 by infinity हेगला तो 2 by infinity माने 1 by infinity केते 0 तो 2 by infinity means 0 तो आंसर इज तो क्विक गोटे पिला जानि न परतो एई वेथरे कले आंसर इज that is 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity methodology. And that type after L'Hopital there are one form that is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form means infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, infinity to the power 0. These are these 5 indeterminate forms. That type of forms are 5 indeterminate form. Infinity minus infinity. One example you have to take it, infinity minus infinity form. Suppose limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0 near 1 by x minus suppose cosec x. 1 by 0 केते ना 1 by 0 कहि इन्फिनिटी एटाला इन्फिनिटी माइनस दिया है कोसेक 0 इन्फिनिटी तो टेंस टू हेगला इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी फॉर्म जेहेतु एटा इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी फॉर्म तला हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट द लिमिट इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पिला मन रख 10 थर लेखा कहूँ आसी माने पूरा होल द कंटिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशियल क्लास रे सब बेले कहूँ जे फर्स्ट फंक्शन वन्स दिया माने वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई फास्ट तो यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई फास्ट तो 1 by x minus 1 by sin x सिंप्लीफाई लसगु केते हबो ना x sin x तो sin x minus x लिमिट x tends to 0 बर्तमान देख पिले बर्तमान गोटे न्यूमरेटर आसीगला आ गोटे डिनोमिनेटर आसीगला तो न्यूमरेटर एटा डिनोमिनेटर एटा एठी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर नथिला ठीक एठी न्यूमरेटर आसीगला डिनोमिनेटर आसीगला तो न्यूमरेटर रे पकाओ डायरेक्ट ये भी आसीबो 0 by 0 तो कंडीशन L'Hopital रूल को पड़े आसीबो L'Hopital वाला ऊपर डेरिवेटिव पड़ियो ऊपर डेरिवेटिव वाला cos x minus 1 आ तळ डेरिवेटिव वाला x रो डेरिवेटिव वाला 1 into sin x plus x cos x पुणे अगेन लिमिट x tends to 0 पुणे पकाओ एटा को सी भी सही 0 by 0 फॉर्म आसीबो ए cos 0 वाला 1 minus 1 0 येला sin 0 0 plus 0 तो 0 by 0 तो पुणे अगेन डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin x by cos x plus x derivative cos x plus minus x sin x sin x रो डेरिवेटिव cos x एटा प्रोडक्ट रूल अछि x रो डेरिवेटिव वाला 1 into cos x माइनस है कहीं ना x into cos x रो डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin x तो वर्तमान देख पे लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 पकाओ आउ बर्तमान 0 by 0 आसबनी आउ 0 आसबनी देख 0 एटी पड़ला एटी 1 है एटी 1 है एटी 0 है तेणु आंसर है 0 by 2 आउ 0 by 0 फॉर्म ना तेणु 0 by 2 तेणु आंसर इज 0 वेरी इंपोर्टेंट दैट काउंसिल 1 मार्किया अच्छी 2 मार्किया अच्छी 3 मार्किया अच्छी 7 मार्किया अच्छी एटा को 3 मार्किया पकई पार भी 7 मार्क भी पकई पार असुविधा किसी नहीं 3 मार्क पढ़ी पार 7 मार्क भी पढ़ी पार तेणु दैट्स व्हाई प्ले इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट दैट इज इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी फॉर्मूला अनदर वन 0 into infinity हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट द लिमिट by 0 into infinity form. One example you have to take it. Limit x tends to 0, x cot x. x cot x. x है 0 0 into infinity. So whenever the 0 into infinity, again one function is given means we have to find out the first simplification, first simplify. So that equals to x by tan x. So limit x tends to 0. Once आसीगला लब आसीगला हर आसीगला न्यूमरेटर आसीगला डिनोमिनेटर भी आसीगला लब हर आसीगला पर एटा 0 by 0 फॉर्म आसीगला लोपिटल रे 1 एटा ला tan x रा डेरिवेटिव sec square x एटा ला 1 by sec 0 1. So answer is 1. एटा 0 into infinity form. And the last form ये जो तीन टाइप का फॉर्म अच्छी ये तीन टाइप का फॉर्म गोटे वे रे हबो मु गोटे गणित करी एवं आम ये देखा जे कौन ये गणित तीन टा लेख फास्ट गोटे 0 to the power 0 1 to the power infinity infinity to the power 0 ये तीन टा गोटे टाइप रो सपोज लिमिट x tends to 0 x to the power sin x एटा केते पचार जना तमें आगे देख ये फॉर्म रे अच्छी ना नहीं 0 sin 0 0 चलो 0 to the power 0 फॉर्म रे अच्छी 0 to the power 0 फॉर्म रे थाऊ कि 1 to the power infinity फॉर्म रे थाऊ कि infinity to the power 0 फॉर्म रे थाऊ तमें कौन कर आग फंक्शन को y नहीं जीवो फंक्शन को आग y नहीं जीवो सब बेले पे मन रख मु बार बार कहूँ जोटा से मन रखा पड़ो ये तीन टाक फॉर्म रे जब रजेकोसी फॉर्म रो ये फॉर्म रे को ये फॉर्म रे आग फंक्शन को y नहीं जीवो y नहीं गला पारे बोथ साइड रे ln नहीं जीवो ln नहीं गले केते गला ln x to the power sin x तो ln y केते गला ना sin x ln x लिमिट केते देछि x tends to 0 so limit x tends to 0 ln y equals to limit x tends to 0 sin x into ln x आग एतक लिखिदेव एति लिखिदेले 2 मार्क पाइगला आग कहीं रक्षा करें एति लिखिदेले 2 मार्क फास्ट आग फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू y बोथ साइड ln देन पुट द लिमिट ऑन बोथ साइड्स लिमिट जहाँ देते से पकईदेव तापर नेक्स्ट इम्प्लाइज दौर ln कौन कर बाहर को नहीं लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 y इक्वाल ये देखा पड़ो लोपिटल रूल कंडीशन आसवा दरकार लोपिटल रूल कंडीशन आसवा दरकार जो लोपिटल रूल कंडीशन केमती आसो लोपिटल तो 0 by 0 एंड इनफिनिटी बाय इनफिनिटी तो दैट्स व्हाई तो आपको केमती कौन बेले कौशल आने चेष्टा कर ना फर्स्ट ln x टा भेरी ln x टा को ऊपर रखिबो आउ sin x टा को तलू नहीं गले cosec x हो एवं लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 वर्तमान पिले वर्तमान लब आउ हर आसीगला लब जेतु हर आसीगला तेणु न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर आसीगला तेणु पुट द वैल्यू द कंडीशन ऑफ द लोपिटल रूल कंडीशन ऑफ लोपिटल रूल कौन ना x टेंड्स टू 0 ln 0 इज इनफिनिटी cosec 0 भी इनफिनिटी सो बोथ साइड इनफिनिटी बाय इनफिनिटी तो सो लोपिटल रूल कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई कला तो ln x रा डेरिवेटिव वाला 1 by x आ cosec x रा डेरिवेटिव वाला माइनस cosec x into cot x लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 अगेन बार बार तुमको कही फंक्शन जो सिंप्लीफाई करने बाध्य लब रहा पड़ो हर भी रहा पड़ो तेणु लब हर कले केते हो देख ये गोटे होगा sin x by x होगा गोटे आ गोटे ऊपर को पड़े tan x होगा बर्तमान देख लब हर होगा सब वो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 बर्तमान लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 ऑलरेडी सेड sin x by x है 1 और tan 0 है 0 तेणु माइनस अच्छे -1 into 0 भी एक्जाक्टली 0 तेणु दर पर आमको क्वेश्चन कौन पचार लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 y यहाँ y नियाई तेणु ln ये अच्छे आगु नोट रे मन रख द ln x equals to y that means log x base e equals to y so that implies e to the power y equals to x e to the power y equals to x एटा logarithmic form एटा एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म फर्स्ट क्लास ऑलरेडी सेट तेणु सो ln ये अच्छी So that implies limit x tends to 0, y equals to e to the power 0. Learn support e to the power 0. So that implies put the y value. So limit x tends to 0, y value कितना अच्छी ना x to the power sin x. So s to the power sin x equals to e to the 0 वाला 1. So value is 1. এটা भी 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन पढ़ी परिबो, এটা को भी 7 मार्क क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ी परिबो, because it's a lengthy process. Thank you very much. Best wishes to all the students, and the next class we have to discuss about the other parts. Thank you very much.